Welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to be sure that you have been enjoying yourself a nice time on this amazing channel. Okay, so what do I have for yours today? Today I have great news, amazing news for um, the Amazon Kindle publishers. Somebody make some noise. Ooh. All right, great. So I have an amazing news for us today. So I want to show you also how to earn more money simply by using this to generate a fresh content, personalized content for you. Please do not forget that I said for you to maximize this technology very well, you must understand your input, the right words you want to use. So for books, and for of course for books for ebooks, um, the of course the number of words is very important. It must be something. It must not be too wordy. At least something. It will just be short and precise. So it does not necessarily have to be long. Kind of. It depends on the topic you are writing about, anyways. But then the input are very important. So that's about the word count, number of words. We need to specify. Okay, how many words? Is it 400 words? The topic itself, the writing style, how do you want it to be? Then, what are the main thing you will, the tone you will want your book to take? All right, so let's look at real live example and let's see what we've got. All right, so this is what we have here. So let's see how write me 400 words ebook on how to assimilate quickly. Use point, real world examples, people's quote in it, right? Then and write it with the style of Stephen King. Stephen King is an amazing dude who have done a lot of amazing things in the literary world. So let's see what we've gotten. So, and I said at last, credit Michael as his writer. So, of course, it is just going to be like I did this from scratch. So it was not an issue of plagiarism or copyright. No, this is strictly your own words as generated by the AI. So you're not copying and pasting or you are trying to rectify. It's giving you a fresh content. All right. So let's see what we've got. It's very super fast. Genius. Wow. The only stupid question is the one you don't ask. this is this is fine. Okay. So you can make money simply by writing this. Wow. Write on any topic. Wow. 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 This is amazing. All right. So can we narrow this thing down? Of course, for every book there should be an abstract, right? Is it an abstract? All right. Generate. So let's say generate an abstract for this ebook. Let's see what we got. Wow, you will make a lot of money with this. Wow, 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 wow. So let's check again. Generate an introductory page for this ebook. So you know your table of content. So just get it based on your table of content. So use your table of content then to get this thing. All right. So wow. So you can enter into it depends on your table of content. So Jesus. Oh. Oh, there is an issue with my network here. An issue with my network here. Sorry. Oh, oh, oh. You need to. This is uh, this is not working. All right. So we need to. There was a network issue there. So let's redo that. There's a network issue. So let's redo that. Okay. So of course, there are a whole lot of people using this thing at the moment. So all right. Mhm. So this is great. This is great. So let's take it from the scratch. So he said, write me 400 words on ebook, how to assimilate quickly. Use point, real world examples, people's quotes in it, and then write it with the style of Stephen King. At last, credit Michael as his writer. So welcome to. All right. So you can see these are the basic report result. You can see generate an abstract. Of course, generate an introductory page for this ebook. Boom. So, what are you waiting for? Get working now. This year 2023, you must make money. I'll see you in my next video. Please do well to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe so you can turn on your notification so you can get notified when I upload new video. Thank you.